Alright guys, so right now we're basically going to go to TradingView.com. And once you're there, this is what you'll see. Mine is asking me if I want to sign in. I'm going to go ahead and do that. But basically, TradingView is where we are going to be analyzing all of the markets that we're watching. If you go right here to products and tap super charts, you're going to see exactly what we are looking at here. It's basically the charts on a very in-depth form in a sense. You're going to be able to zoom in, navigate around. You have tools on the left side that you can use. You can favorite those tools by adding a little star, and they end up popping up in your favorites bar. You can move it all around. If you wanted to use indicators, this little section right here with this drop down, those are my indicators. If I turn them on and off, you can do that. If you wanted to add different ones right here, you tap that. Let's say you want to do another moving average. You type that in. It gives you a massive list of all the different ones they have. You literally just click it and add it onto your chart. You have multiple different time frames you can look at. If you wanted to change the pair you're looking at, right here, you just erase that and you get tons and tons and tons. TradingView is basically like the best analytical platform you can use to look at charts, for sure.